Hello, football lovers. Greet to all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification so you're notified next time I drop the video on this channel. So please like. So the new data updated you today is that Kaizer Chief coach Nasreddine Nab told the management that Sibongiseni Mthethwa is not in his plans and wants him to be released. But the management doesn't agree and wants to loan him out instead. Stellenbosch FC is leading the race to sign Sibongiseni Mthethwa on a loan from Kaizer Chiefs after falling out of favour. Kaizer Chiefs officially also approached Amazulu FC and Golden Arrows FC for possible loan move. So if you are new here on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like.